It fits perfectly and looks great. I thought it might be a tiny bit larger, but the pistol just fits snugly and doesn't fall out if carried in a pocket. You can also wear it AWB. Not bad for $20. Fits in my pocket and I don't even know it's there. Great product. Good fit. Wet mold and easily. Holds firearm well and clip does not damage clothes. Great quality, made by Acre Forna. Worth the dollar, like it a lot. Great little holster for a great little gun. It works and fit proper. If you need a deep concealed weapon, this little holster hold the gun tight and secure. Holster is very nice, a little tight on my Sidewinder NAA 22. The Sidewinder is a little bigger than the regular NAA 22 Magnum. Use it all the time. It works, it's cool. Fits the gun well. Comfortable to wear. I usually carry my gun in my watch pocket. Just what I was looking for. Great service. Nice, snug fit for my NAA 22 LR, looks great, best price I've seen on the net or in stores, comfortable fit, I recommend it. This is a solid holster. It is very soft leather. The pro is it conforms well. The con is I don't think this will last very long. Good on the boot or the belt. If it were slightly thicker leather it would be perfect. This is really nice. Click link in description for more reviews.